This is a sneak peek on how to start a design sprint or any other workshop when you facilitate it. In this sneak peek, I'm going to show you 2 of the points that you should cover. When introducing yourself, it is very important that you establish yourself as an expert, the boss of the situation, the person who actually knows what's going to happen and how is it going to be done. In order for you to do it, make sure that you actually spend some time establishing yourself as such an expert by telling people what you did before you ended up standing in front of them in this particular situation. For instance, telling them how many sprints you've run before, how many workshops you facilitated in the past, and what makes you a good facilitator in general. The second thing that you should include in your introduction is something that puts both yourself and the people in the room at ease. For that, put in some icebreakers in your introduction. Say something personal. Establish yourself as a person, as a human being that also has something else to do rather than just running the sprints. The moment when you create the first laughter in the room, when you smile at people, is the moment where the ice breaks, because most of the time people will smile and laugh back at you. And if you do that together with them, both yourself and everybody else in the room will feel immediately a little bit more comfortable with the situation. If you're interested in learning more about this, then check out our Neon Secrets video on how to start a design sprint.